Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the mouse has power and then enable Bluetooth on your Mac. Turn the mouse on and charge it if the battery reads low. A weak battery causes intermittent lag. Once done, open System Settings and enable Bluetooth, then put the mouse into pairing mode by holding its button until a light blinks. You'll see the device name appear. Click Connect. This immediate pairing step is essential because it establishes the primary link the Mac uses for tracking and gestures. Now customize how the mouse behaves so it matches your workflow. Open System Settings and go to Mouse. Adjust tracking speed to control pointer acceleration, then set scrolling behavior to natural or standard, depending on whether you prefer content to follow finger motion. Enable or disable secondary click and gesture options to give you right-click and swipe functionality. Make sure to test by moving the pointer across different screen areas and using gestures, and finish by verifying firmware and performing final connectivity checks so performance stays reliable. Check for macOS or mouse firmware updates in Software Update. Installing them can fix sensor or gesture bugs. If the mouse disconnects or lags, retry by toggling Bluetooth off and on, or restart your Mac to clear temporary drivers. If that fails, power the mouse off, wait 10 seconds, then power it back on to reset hardware. These simple steps usually resolve most issues and get you back to smooth pointer control.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.